Hello everyone, hope everybody is doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change text color when you hover on navigation bar on Shopify. For example, you can see right here, you can see that at the moment when I hover over a text on my navigation bar, it is green. So depending on the theme, or better yet the color scheme that you're working with on your theme, this will be good for you, as you'll now be able to more easily customize and organize how your Shopify store appears. The first thing you want to do is go on your admin page. Once on your admin page, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on Online Store. After tapping on Online Store, you will automatically be redirected to the Themes page. And from here, right beside Customize, you are going to tap on the three dots. Then you are going to select Edit Code. After selecting Edit Code, you are going to be redirected to this page. And all I want you to do is go over to the top left-hand corner, right where you see the search bar, and you are going to type in base. After typing in base, you are going to tap on base.css. After doing that, you are going to copy and paste the code that I will be leaving in the description. So all you have to do is simply copy the code. Then you are going to paste the code at the top. So you are going to simply tap on enter and you are going to paste the code in number 1. Then you are going to tap on save. But let's say, for example, instead of it being the green color, let's say I would want it to be another color. All you'll have to do now is go onto color-x.com and you'll be led to this website. Then you are going to tap on the color box at the top right here and you can choose whichever color you want. So let's say I want the hover color to be blue. Then I'll tap on choose. Then all you'll have to do is copy the code. Once you have copied the code, you are going to go back into Shopify. And right where you see the number sign, you'll simply paste it right there. So you're going to simply select it. Then you're going to paste it. You're going to do this 3 times, as you can see right here. After you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Once the changes has been saved, you're going to tap on preview store. So I'll select preview store. And remember that the hex color that I selected is blue. So it should be blue whenever I hover over the menu text. So just give it a few seconds to load up. Once it has loaded up, as you can see right there, the hover text is now blue. And in case you don't know how to create a drop-down menu, I'll be showing you how to do that real quick. So the first thing you want to do is go back, as you want to go back to your admin page. Once on your admin page, all you have to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you would select Online Store again. Then you're going to see a drop-down menu and from here you're going to select Navigation. After selecting Navigation, you're going to tap on Main Menu. And after selecting Main Menu, you'll be redirected to this page. And this is how to create drop-down menus real quick. For example, you can see the home page, you can see track your order, and then you can see lamp, and you can also see kitchen, and you can see the subcategories below kitchen. For example, if I were to go into the navigation bar, you can see the subcategories right there. So I'll be showing you how to add your own subcategories. You'll simply scroll down and right where you see add menu item, you are going to tap right there. Then from here, you can type in the name of the page. So let's say I want to add the About Us page. Then you are going to tap on link. After you have tapped on link, you will see all of the pages or all of the content that is on your Shopify store. So if you would like to add a particular product, all you'll have to do is tap on products. Then you'll see all of the products and you could select the product or you could link it back to all products. And you can also select pages and from there you would see all of the pages and then you could link it. So let's say I want to link to my contact page. So I'm going to select contact. After selecting contact, you're going to tap on add in the bottom right hand corner. And you can see that I have now created an about us page right here for the menu. So all I'll need to do now, let's say I want it to be a drop down menu for the track your order right here. So all I would have to do is tap right where you see the 6 dots in the left hand corner. Then you're going to simply drag it right up to the top below the menu that you would like it to be. So let's say I'm putting it right below the home menu, better yet. All you have to do is slightly pull it to the right. Then you will see this style right here. So now it is a drop down menu. So now if I were to tap on save in the top right hand corner, once the changes has been saved, if you were to go over to the left hand corner now and tap on the I to preview your online store, you'll see that home now is a drop down menu. As you can see right here, you can see that about us is right below it now. And that's it. That's how to create a drop down menu or how to create subcategories. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. And also to remove it is quite easy. You'll simply go back into the same menu item section. Then you'll tap on delete. And you could tap on remove. Then select save. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thanks again.